There we go, waterfall shots right now. This is one of my closest waterfall shot here about near my house, about a couple miles down the road. About a block, about 3 blocks from here. It's pretty quite good. You can see all the water going down here. This is what I'm doing. Got some nice shots on the DSLR camera. You can see it down this way. This is what I'm looking for. It's coming down all the snow melt from the mountain. That's what it is. You can see the nice water shots on this. Very quite good. I'm going to stop this camera soon. Give you guys an idea. I'm actually playing with the zoom lens right now. That's pretty nice. This is actually going to be in 720 HD right now. Very nice reflex. Alright, I'm going to stop there right now and catch you guys later. Put some snapshots of this stuff later.